Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many of us face when using technology. The problem we'll be addressing is when you encounter an error message on your device that prevents you from completing a task. It could be frustrating and time-consuming to try and figure out what went wrong, especially if you're not tech-savvy. But fear not, because we have a solution for you. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. When you come across an error message on your device, the best course of action is to restart the device. This simple solution can help resolve many common issues caused by temporary glitches or bugs in the system. By restarting your device, you give it a chance to reset and clear out any errors that may be causing the issue. Remember, sometimes a quick restart is all it takes to get things back on track. In addition to restarting your device, another helpful solution is to check for software updates. Outdated software can often lead to errors and malfunctions, so keeping your device up to date is crucial for optimal performance. By installing the latest updates, you can ensure that your device is running smoothly and efficiently, reducing the likelihood of encountering error messages in the future. It's a simple but effective way to prevent problems before they occur. In a nutshell, when faced with an error message on your device, try restarting it first and checking for any available software updates. These two simple solutions can often resolve the issue and get you back to using your device without any hiccups. Remember, technology is there to make our lives easier, so don't let a pesky error message slow you down. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your tech troubles. We're here to help.